Good day mga ka-fire lover dyan. This is Amoy Putok. I would like to unleash my fireworks to ignite this coming 2025-2026 sa Lubong. Ito po sila. Okay, simula tayo sa left side. Dragon's Hour of Destiny, 50 shots, fan shape. Europa, 100 shots by Legendary Fireworks, large caliber. 9 shots Hot Stuff by Tiger Fireworks, 2 inches. 36 shots High Roller by Golden Rooster, 2 inches din yung tube size nya. Mix effects ng Bombshell na Distress at imported from LF Fireworks and Cebu City. Okay, dito tayo sa mga small caliber. Beautiful Night by Golden Rooster, 16 shots, medium caliber. Ito yung napanalo natin dun sa grand opening ni Ate Rosalie. LF Fireworks, 16 shots, orange. 16 shots, very shocking, 16 shots din by Golden Rooster. Jump for Joy, 72 shots by Golden Rooster din, medium caliber. Roman Fireworks, 49 shots by GLK din. Zodiac, 49 shots by Golden Rooster, small caliber, medium caliber. 20 shots Jade Shadow by LF Fireworks. At ito ang ating mga fountain, Lucky Mayan Volcano, yung napanood natin kay Ate Rosalie. And 3 minutes fountain by Tiger Fireworks, Halloween, 2 piraso. Meron tayo kay Lucky Dragon by Dragon Fireworks, parang crackling assault siya. Ito rin Dancing Dragon, may siya, 2 piraso yung laman niya. Kay Lucky Dragon, 6. Then Speed Show, 82 shots by, ito na naman tayo, hindi ko mabasa, Festival Ferber Carry, 82 shots. And Saturn Missile by LF Fireworks, 500 shots. 20 pieces na Dreamlight, Whistle Bomb Big, 2K rounds ng sawa ni Boss Russell, Uday, Dreamlight na 1K rounds, Dreamlight. Then Party Celebration Blaster, 1K rounds kay Pyro Creation. At 1K rounds na small triangle kay kay Boss Russell, kay Fuday. And dito na tayo sa large cake. Neat Hot Red Light, 64 shots by Diamond Fireworks. Fantasy by Diamond Fireworks, 64 shots din. Happy Tonight, 100 shots by Tiger Fireworks. Ito mga large cake din natin. GLK, 100 shots, Dream Night. And 100 shots din, Dynamic Moment, 100 shots by GLK. At ang ating finale, from GLK Fireworks, Night in Paris, 258 shots. So ito ang kabuuan ng ating stash na aabangan kay Amoy Putok. Mag-ingat po tayo bukas. Sana hindi umulan. Sana po magandang ating New Year. Keep safe and God bless.